The agency says snow and local blowing snow are continuing in Ottawa today and possibly through the night. Wind gusts of 40 to 70 km per hour will make those temperatures feel even colder. With the wind chill, it will feel near -17 overnight.